Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Pikachu. I'll be drawing on my tablet. You can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off by drawing the sides of the face. Let's draw a curve here on the left side. And then the same thing on the right. Now at the top, let's draw a curve across, and we're going to leave gaps on either side for the ears. Let's draw the ears next. In the right gap here, let's draw a curve up, and then bring it back down. And now inside of the top, let's add a curve. Now let's draw the left ear in the same way, but it's going to be angled out towards the left. Okay, let's draw the face next, starting with the nose. In the center here, let's draw a small triangle. And now let's color the inside bottom part black. Let's draw the mouth next. Underneath the nose, let's leave a gap and we're going to draw a small curve here. And then let's curve it down and up on the left, and the same thing on the right. And now underneath, let's draw a U shape. And then a curve across inside for the tongue. Okay, let's draw the eyes next. On either side of the nose, let's draw ovals for the eyes. And now inside of the top, let's draw another circle. Next, let's draw the circles on either cheek. So start from the outside, and we're going to draw a curve in, and then back out. And the same thing on the right side. And that's it for the head. Let's draw the body next. Let's start with the arms. Underneath the left side of the face, let's draw a diagonal line like this. And the same on the right. Let's draw the fingers now. Let's start with two pointed curves on either side. And then we're going to draw three more smaller ones going down. And then inside each hand, let's draw a curve. Next, from the outside, let's angle it down, curving it back out and in like this for the body. And the same on the right. Now at the bottom in the center, let's draw a small curve across. And then let's curve it down on either side. Next, let's add the feet at the bottom. Let's draw a curve down and back under the body. And the same on the right. And now add two curves inside each foot. And lastly, let's add the tail. On the left side of the head, near the top here, let's draw a curve out and up like this. Then at the end, let's bring it down and then angle it back into the hand. Now let's move down. From the side of the left arm, let's draw a zigzag line down. Now inside, on the top zigzag, let's draw a small point here, and then another one underneath. Now across the tail, let's draw a zigzag near the bottom here. And that's it for Pikachu. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!